Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? Welcome to a new brand video of Cardano, my friend. In this time, I will have a very important information for all of you now, and I will give you something very special news also, my friend. Because in this time, we will need to do this, otherwise, we were very badly lost now. So finally, my friend, the Cardano price will again starting downward. Why the price is decreasing and what we will need to do, I tell you, my friend, in the start of this month to after a first week. Absolutely, my friend, the Cardano price will pace down indefinitely. That's true, my friends. To my prediction is gone 100% right. If you can't believe now, check out my previous video. Absolutely, you are understand better now. But this time, my friend, absolutely I will give you some very special advices, and I hope, my friend, remember, this is not a financial video. Please, I just advise you, please research personally. But remember, after that, please you research personally. And my friend, I will give you some very special thinking about this time. CEO also tell us this, so therefore I think it's 100% right now, my brother. In last 24 hour minus 0.46%, the price is very badly falls down, and what we will need to, they will starting positive and they will give us profit, and there is a chance to upcoming time Cardano price will increase or not. My prediction is 100% going positive, because I already predicate Cardano coin, my friend, and I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming time the price will be pumping up. But in this time, I think 1 or 2 days the price will fails down, because everybody knows this, my friends, to after a very long jump, absolutely the price will fails down. So as you can see here, in last 3 days this price will increasing, but after this jump you can see here they were fails down. So therefore I will give you advice, my other please holders, you will need to hold on. If you are starting holding, so I'm 100% sure to Cardano will pass starting moving upward and they will give you a profit. But if you are starting selling, so this is impossible to, they will give you a profit, and they are very badly lost now. So therefore please hold on, otherwise you will never get a profit. So hope you understand. Please like video, and also, my brothers, subscribe this channel for more step informative and urgent updates videos. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.